In a world of cluttered architecture, we find sanctuary in the absolute. Welcome to the Square Design Masterpiece, a $5 million marvel where Euclidean geometry meets high-end luxury. This isn't just a house, it's a manifesto on precision. From the drone's eye view, you see a perfect silhouette, a literal square carved into the landscape, hiding a soul of warm Scandinavian textures within its bold, concrete shell. Prepare to see how the power of a single shape can redefine the meaning of home. The approach is a lesson in architectural intimidation. The facade stands as a monolithic cube, a seamless blend of smooth white concrete and expansive glass that reflects the sky. There is a rhythmic purity here, no unnecessary ornamentation, just the bold, clean lines of a square that feels both grounded and futuristic. The recessed matte black entrance creates a focal point of mystery, drawing the eye toward the warm, wooden heart beating inside this stone giant. Step inside, and the square philosophy reveals its true genius. The double-height living room utilizes verticality to prevent the geometric footprint from feeling enclosed. Light oak flooring stretches toward a sunken boucle sofa, perfectly centered to maintain the room's absolute symmetry. Massive windows frame the world outside, turning the backyard into a living painting. It is a space that feels vast yet intimate, proving that precision doesn't have to feel clinical. The master bedroom is a cathedral of rest. Centered on a raised oak platform, the bed faces a singular, massive square window that captures the morning sun with surgical intent. The walls are a dialogue between raw gray concrete and soft cream textiles, creating a tactile experience that embodies Scandinavian hygge. Every shadow here is a sharp, diagonal line, playing across the floor as the sun moves, reminding you of the home's perfect orientation. In the kitchen, the square motif becomes a tool for professional-grade functionality. A monolithic black granite island sits at the center, a heavy, dark anchor against the light oak cabinetry. There are no handles, no clutter, only seamless surfaces that hide state-of-the-art technology. The lighting is recessed into the ceiling in a grid pattern, ensuring that every inch of the workspace is illuminated with high-contrast clarity and architectural drama. Floating above the living area, the mezzanine serves as the home's intellectual bridge. Framed by matte black steel beams that create a geometric grid, this space offers a breathtaking perspective of the interior's volume. A floor-to-ceiling library wall in light oak follows the vertical lines of the square structure, providing a sense of order and quiet. It is the perfect vantage point to appreciate the interconnectedness of every design choice made here. The bathroom is a study in elemental luxury. A freestanding square stone bathtub sits beneath a dedicated skylight, allowing a column of natural light to wash over the gray concrete walls. Light oak slats provide a warm contrast to the matte black fixtures, creating a sensory balance between water, wood, and stone. It feels less like a room and more like a private gallery dedicated to the ritual of cleansing, where the geometry promotes a sense of deep calm. The landscape design is an echo of the architecture. In the front yard, square concrete pavers are laid with mathematical precision, separated by dark volcanic gravel. A single sculptural tree is positioned in a perfectly centered square planter, acting as the only organic deviation from the straight lines. This outdoor space sets the tone for the entire property, signaling that even nature must submit to the elegant discipline of the square design masterpiece. The rooftop is the crown of the cube. It is a flat, expansive terrace that offers a 360-degree view of the horizon, framed by a minimalist glass perimeter. A square conversation pit is carved into the oak decking, centered around a linear fire feature. This is where the bold geometry of the house meets the infinity of the sky. It is the ultimate entertainment space, designed for those who appreciate seeing the world through a lens of structured, high-contrast luxury. The home office is a masterclass in focus. A floating light oak desk is positioned directly in front of a square portal window, aligning the occupant perfectly with the exterior view. The shelving units are integrated into the walls, maintaining the crisp, handle-less aesthetic found throughout the house. The high-contrast lighting creates a moody, professional atmosphere that stimulates creativity through clarity, proving that a well-designed space is the ultimate productivity tool. The backyard is where the square concept finds its reflection. A perfectly square infinity pool mirrors the building's silhouette, creating a stunning visual loop of concrete and water. The transition from the indoor living room to the outdoor oak deck is nearly invisible, thanks to sliding glass walls that disappear into the structure. It is a symmetrical paradise, where the sharp shadows of the cantilevered roof provide shade for the outdoor lounge area. Thank you for joining me on this architectural journey through the square design masterpiece. In a world of chaos, this home proves that there is profound beauty in symmetry and strength in simplicity. If you value precision, minimalism, and bold Scandinavian warmth, this $5 million vision is the ultimate blueprint. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most iconic designs. Until next time, stay inspired by the geometry around you.